Hey there beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to share a unique hair mask for dry hair, so let's get started to the video. To prepare this hair mask for dry hair, the first ingredient you need is coconut oil. Coconut oil hydrates scalp and hair. For those who have dry and frizzy hair, this hair mask makes their hair frizz-free and healthy. So to prepare this hair mask, you will need 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Here I am using parachute coconut oil. So next you will need olive oil and castor oil. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of castor oil along with coconut oil. You can increase or decrease the proportion of the oils as per your requirement and your hair length. So mix all the oils together. Now lastly you need to add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. After adding all the ingredients together, you need to mix all the ingredients together well. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey in the hair mask and now mix all the ingredients together. You can simply blend the ingredients in the blender and directly apply it onto your hair and scalp. This is one of the best hair masks for dry hair and works best for frizzy hair. You can use this twice in a week and let it stay for good 40 minutes on your hair and your scalp. Apply generously on your scalp and massage while applying and let it stay for 40 minutes on your hair, and shampoo and conditioner after rinsing this off. After adding all the ingredients together, it's very important to mix all the ingredients well together. So you can do it either this way or you can use a blender to mix all the ingredients well together. This hair mask will make your hair silky smooth and soft and will also repair your damaged hair and make it frizz free. This hair mask repairs damaged hair and is one of the easiest hair masks for dry hair. If you find this hair mask useful and genuine, then please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. After mixing all the ingredients well, you will get something like this. Now our hair mask is almost ready to apply. Now you can apply this hair mask on your scalp and your hair like this, or you can also add few drops of lavender essential oil in this hair mask. That will enhance the benefits of hair mask. If you have it, you can add it. So do try this hair mask at home and let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video.